I am super excited because today I'm going to teach you how to make coasters with your Cricut Joy Infusible ink transfer sheets. So these sheets look like this, and you will be making them on the teeny tiny Cricut Joy. This is easy for beginners. It was my first Cricut Infusible ink project, so if I can do it, you guys can definitely do it. Just make sure you grab the Cricut Infusible ink transfer sheets. If you have a Cricut Joy, the Cricut Joy Infusible ink transfer sheets. Super cute. I hope you guys love these as much as I do. So first you're going to click on the link that I've provided, which links you directly to the project and design space. And then you're going to click Make It. So when your screen opens up, you'll see this. So I want you to click on Mat and then click Done. Okay, so if you are like me and you are feeding the full transfer sheet into your machine, you're gonna go ahead and change the material size. I'm over here on the left column. The material size to 4.5 by 12. So you're gonna do that to all of these, and you just simply click on each design to make changes. Okay, so next we are going to mirror the image. This is very, very important because if you don't mirror the image, it will come out backwards. Your text will be backwards on your design, and you definitely don't want that. So you're going to switch this to mirror. Again, you're going to do this on each design. And if you are looking at our mat over here, you're going to notice that the text has flipped. That's exactly what you want. Don't fret. Okay, so we're all set. Now we're going to click Continue. You are going to select your device. In this case, it is the Cricut Joy. Now you're going to browse materials and you're going to search Infusible ink. Select Infusible ink transfer sheet. I always leave the pressure as default, and then you're going to make sure you have your blade in the machine and you load your mat. At this point, when you load your mat in, the machine will pull it in and align it, and then it will give you the green light and you can click go and your machine will start cutting. So first we're going to add our Cricut Joy Infusible ink transfer sheet to our either light grip mat or the standard grip mat. And then you're going to feed it into your machine. And at this point, you will just wait until the machine finishes. So now you're going to flip your mat upside down and remove the mat from the back of the transfer sheet. This prevents your transfer sheet from curling. This is a great practice to have when working with vinyl as well. So now you are going to take your Cricut scissors or any other kind of scissors you may have, and you're going to cut the excess off of the design. Now you're ready to weed your project. I always like to start by weeding the outer edges so I can hold on to the transfer sheet backing as I weed the smaller parts. I recommend using your fingers, and Cricut also recommends that, or using tweezers, but I like to stick to my fingers. So I like to weed out first the outer edges and then all of the teeny tiny details in the design, and then I go through and I take out the larger pieces and the letters if you have letters in your design. Just make sure when you're doing this that you're removing any extra adhesive that you may not have pulled off when you were weeding. This is much different than vinyl because the Infusible ink transfer sheets are a lot like paper. So when you're done, flip it over, take a look, make sure it all looks good, and then you are ready to press your transfer sheet onto your Cricut blank. So today we're doing coasters, so you're going to set your Cricut Easy Press 2 to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. When the Easy Press 2 is ready, it will beep. So while it is heating, you can go ahead and get that design onto your coaster. The great part is if it is not aligned properly, you can easily peel it off and align it. You will not mess anything up. So just press it on there until it is secure. And when your heat press is ready, you can get started. You can see here how great it looks, how it's aligned. Put your butcher paper on top before you use your heat press. The butcher paper will be included with your transfer sheets. So the Cricut Easy Press, put it on there, push the green Cricut button, and it will alert you when it's done. Remove your butcher paper and let your design sit until it's cool, and then you can take off the transfer sheet and see the magic that you made. Isn't it beautiful? I love it so much. I hope you guys love it too.